The Coach Hadley Convertible Crossbody Bag is a stylish and functional accessory that offers versatility and elegance. Bag crafted with a combination of double-face leather and refined pebble leather, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Features a classic turnlock closure, an adjustable strap for both shoulder and crossbody wear, and an inside zip pocket for secure storage. Colors bag, available in a variety of colors to suit your personal style, including black, navy, brown, and more. Price Coach Hadley Convertible Crossbody Bag. Prices may vary depending on the specific color and retailer, but generally range from $200 to $400. The Coach Hadley Convertible Crossbody Bag has received positive reviews from customers who appreciate its quality, versatility, and timeless design. Many highlight the bag's durable construction, spacious interior, and comfortable adjustable strap. Some also mention that the bag is slightly heavier than other crossbody bags, but this is often attributed to its high-quality materials. Size. The Hadley Convertible Crossbody Bag is considered a medium-sized bag, offering ample space for essentials without being overly bulky. It's suitable for everyday use, casual outings, or even special occasions. Overall, the Coach Hadley Convertible Crossbody Bag is a stylish and functional accessory that combines classic design with modern versatility. Its high-quality materials, adjustable strap, and spacious interior make it a practical choice for women who appreciate both style and functionality.